Hi guys, welcome to Handy and Easy. Today we're in the bedroom and we just bought this recliner. After we sat on it, we started noticing that the recliner was sliding towards the back, and after a couple of days it was hitting the wall. So in this video I'm going to show you what to do in order to avoid the recliner from sliding or moving and staying on one spot. So let's get started. First, let's see what's the problem. When someone sits on the recliner, it will start moving little by little towards the back, as the legs do not have an anti-slip base. So combined with the carpet, it's very easy for the legs to start moving. Now, let's see how we can solve this. The solution I found was to buy these anti-slip pads from Amazon that are 30 inches in length by 4.5 inches wide, and this was perfect as they cover the entire section of the legs of my recliner. I will leave a link in the description below if you are interested. For installing them, just lift one side of the recliner, place the pad under the leg, and then rest the recliner over it. Do the same thing for the other side and try that it remains centered. After 1 month of daily use, the recliner has not even gone 1 inch to the back. Also, the pads are very aesthetic and you cannot even see them if you go to the front of the recliner, so we were very happy with our purchase. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Handy and Easy, and as always, have an excellent day.